tube. Just going to make up the bottom board, or the base of the beehive. All the components here, the 2 feet, just a couple of bits of timber, side rails, back rail and the front rail with the hive entrance. I'll be using some exterior grade aqua here, which is PVA glue, designed to be outside. Nail gun with some staples in it. These are 38mm or 1.5 inches long. And I have some 28mm ones as well for putting the sides and things on. I started out by sitting the hive brood box on top of this and marking out where the front sits. I then came in 75mm from the back, and 105mm from the front, and marked out whereabouts the feet will sit, just so that the weight's evenly distributed as best I can. This is just a guess. It looks right. That's what I'm doing. So I've picked the best side. This other side's a little bit gungy, doesn't matter. I've also marked this side as well, so I know where to put my glue. And I'm just going to glue them down and nail them in. Don't need too much, just enough. Sometimes less is more. And maybe I need a bit less. And then we just chuck a couple of staples in. So that's the feet done. So I'm just assembling all the parts, getting it ready. I'm going to have to glue all the edges up. And once I've glued it up, I'll put some staples in it. Unfortunately, doing it this way, it's easy to keep it square. Now I've got it sitting right, I'll just chuck some staples in. As I'm doing it, I'm holding it flush onto the board to keep the surfaces all level, stop it from moving around. And then normally what I'd do is bit of glue around the edges, sit this down, flip it over, nail it from the underside. But I'm going to be using this later on for something else, so that's pretty much it really. Once it is all nailed down and glued down and everything else, let the glue dry for about 24 hours and then paint it. It's not treated, so if it's going to be sitting outside, it'll need to be painted to seal it up. And that's pretty much it. That's a standard beehive base for an 8-frame beehive. Righto. Hope it wasn't too boring for you, and I'll catch you next time.